Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Rice Restored. I know I haven't been here in a while and I haven't been posting. That's just because I be busy and I don't be having nobody to shoot with me. But we out here at the range. Something that we don't ever practice is practicing shooting from behind cover. And today I brought my AR-15, my Diamondback, and I got a couple other people here who wanted to join and shoot with me. So thanks for tuning in and let's see what happens. So what I want to do is I want to practice from shooting behind cover because we don't ever shoot from behind cover that much. So you went and got your gun rights restored, right?
Yeah.
So I didn't even know this. This is just somebody I met on the range today, and we just out here chatting. And yeah. So what was it like getting your gun rights? Like when you first got out, did you think that you was ever going to be able to get your gun rights back?
I kind of knew because my grandfather is he's a magistrate prosecutor.
Okay, so you already knew it was possible.
So I kind of knew it was possible because I had a nonviolent offense.
Yeah.
And so with a nonviolent offense, I knew it was possible. But then I had to go. When I went, I had to go to court to expunge the felony in the first place. But when the felony was expunged, we had to go set another court date, and then the judge lifted that and was allowing it. So
for all y'all that don't think it's possible, I just want to let y'all know, get your gun rights back, get them restored. Don't be riding around with pistols and stuff when it's in an illegal manner, because that's just gonna get you booked, get you longer in jail. Go to the court, get in front of a judge and get your gun rights back. I did it, he did it. It's definitely possible, and I got a violent offense. So
okay. This was a little easier to name with too because it's got the sight.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
So this your first time shooting an AR? Okay. That dang defense nice. Let's get it. Ooh, y'all see that fireball?
I tried to get him to take his time, but he won't.
So this right here, this is my 12 gauge pointer over under. I got this because I got a buddy that hunts, and well, actually the first thing that made me get it was my neighbor. They was cooking some duck. I ain't never had duck before. When I ate that duck, it was delicious. So I was like, man, I gotta get me some duck. So I had a friend that hunts, and he's hunting pheasant, and he told me to get an over under shotgun, and he's gonna take me pheasant hunting. And yeah, I wanted to see what's up with this. And one of the reasons I want to go hunting, because when I applied to get my gun rights back, that's one of the things I let the judge know that I wanted to do, was learn how to hunt. So now I got the chance to do it, and let's see how this thing goes. Woo! That ain't really that bad. Do that again. See, I wish I would have brought some clays out here, because that would have been real freaking fun. You gotta shoot this one. So you put them in there, you drop it, close it, and you just pull the trigger twice. That's all you gotta do.
Oh, so it's already loaded.
Yep, safety is off. It's already ready.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
See, that wasn't that bad, was it?
Yeah, I like that.
Hell yeah.
I like that.
There you go, Will.
Now that you can actually probably hit something without aiming too much.
All right. So I didn't even tell y'all what I was shooting. This is the Diamondback DB15. Just got this primary arms optic on it. Just got it zeroed last time I was out here at the range. And I love this thing. It's really accurate. It's 1:6. And let's get some more shots out with it.
Big boy. Got to charge it again?
Nope.
Woo. Woo. I love that. That's beautiful.
Heck yeah.
First time shooting the Daniel Defense. That thing is sweet.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, I like that one a lot. Pretty nice.
Yeah, you want to shoot it?
Yeah.
Take some shots with it.
This yours?
Yes, sir.
Ready to go.
Hey, I love this trigger.
Yeah, I do too.
That trigger is sweet. That's way better than the trigger on mine.
Yeah.
I love that. I knew he was gonna mag dump it.
He don't know slow. It's just pop, 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 pop. So yeah, these are all.
Big boy.
This the gun from Jurassic Park, ain't it?
I don't know. Probably.
I think this
so.
Yeah,
I
it
think
probably
it is.
is.
45, 70. So I got to chamber it.
Yeah, you got them. Yep. There you go. I think that's it. 4 shots.
This is a bucket list gun,
Yeah.
man. This is freaking sweet. You got the pick rail. You can put optics on it. This is freaking sweet.
Yeah, I like it.
I love that. That's the. It got the straight wall cartridges. All right.
Yeah.
He got the Trump train mag on here.
that.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
Wanna let some shots off? Come on, man. Do what you've been doing. You know what you've been out here doing all day. Just point and pull.
Oh yeah, I like that.
That ain't that bad, is it?
So when you shoot, you pull the trigger once. Does it click over to the other one?
Yep, it automatically clicks over to the other one.
That's awesome.
And it's got a selector on it. That way you can decide which barrel you want to fire first, which barrel you want to fire second. So if I wanted to do upper first or upper second, you know, it'll do that for me.
Okay.
So this is a 50, right?
Yeah, 50 A&E.
So it's my first time shooting a Deagle. 50.
Mac.
God damn.
Sir. That's a crowd pleaser there.
Man, that thing throws you.
Yeah. That's it.
Sweet.
Yeah, I like that. That's fun.
So the shotguns we don't show too much love to. Normally this stays in the house near my bed, but I just wanted to bring it out and get a few shots off with it. Alright, that's all low. You want to give some shots off with it? You sure?
I'm sure, man.
It's got rounds in it. You got
Yeah, you just
every time you shoot it.
Woo! There we go. Whoa! Shit! Yeah! Yeah! I like that. Yeah!
You got one more. Hey, when you're done shooting, swing that gun around. Put it through your
Hey, this motherfucker heavy as shit. Yeah!
When you're done shooting like this, come back like this.
what, right to the ground?
Love that. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one right here. That's a big boy. Oh shit.
Locked and ready to rock.
That's smooth.
I bet it don't feel like shit after shooting that Deagle.
No.
Yeah. Want to run some more with it?
Yeah, I like that. Shh. Yeah, I fuck with that.
50. One or two? Do one. Let me know when you're ready. I'm ready. So far, I done missed every clay. Finally got one. So far, I missed every single clay except for one. Hopefully when it comes to the pheasant, I'm a little bit better. I got 4 shells left. Got the last shell. Missed everything. I got 2 out of like 10. It's terrible, but it was fun to get out here and just see how it is. So now I know a little bit about what to expect when I do go pheasant hunting. But yeah, I missed pretty much all of the clays except for 2. Gotta get better. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Shout out to the people who joined me on the range today. Had a lot of fun shooting. Got to shoot the AR, the Deagle, everything. Thank you all for tuning in, and remember, guard your freedom, my friends.